more the drone is in the air, the more money I make and the faster we make it. Hey there, my name is Ethan Steinbacher with Skyview Precision Cleaning, and today we are out at Resource Square 5 cleaning one of these 4 buildings that we'll be doing over this week, and we are using the tether on it for the first time. This project across 4 different buildings is a little over 10,000 windows. So I think running it on batteries versus the power tether, on batteries we were breaking it up into multiple sections that would constitute one flight. So basically like 3 columns of windows going up 5 stories would be roughly the lifespan of one battery, give or take a few windows. And so we would basically go up, fly for 10 to 15 minutes and clean that section, come down, spend about 10 to 15 minutes swapping batteries on chargers, putting new batteries on the drone, turning pumps back on. Flying this today with the tether, we're cleaning roughly 3 to 4 of those same sections. So doing the long side of one of these buildings, which is about a third of the entire surface area, we'd be doing about 2.5 to 3 hours worth of flying and work. With the tether, we're closer down to like hour. For me as an owner and someone who's been flying these drones for years, flying with batteries, there is a healthy amount of, I would say, battery anxiety. And it's natural when you're flying these things, but you're constantly checking down, seeing how much battery life you have, counting down the minutes, the seconds that you have until you have to land and swap. Historically, I would never have walked this far away from my drone while it was in flight, while my employees are flying it. With this tether and the removal of that anxiety about them running out of batteries mid-flight, it's something that allows me to take a step back and focus on other aspects of the business and not have to manage them as much while they're flying.